This was a swarm that we caught last year. So our latitude is 37, which puts us just at where Africanized bees have adapted and migrated. Just gonna clean this up while we got it out. So I caught this swarm mid-May last year in Ozark, Missouri. And I'm just gonna do a few frames over and see if we could see the brood pattern. Just a little bit of smoke. But for the amount of bees in here, which isn't very many compared to these other hives, they are more defensive. And looks like the queen's been up here laying now. We might be able to locate her. These look like a possibly a Canolian Russian hybrid, and I say that just because they're a little darker and not as large as the Italians, just by sight. Let's see her there. Now, another thing I don't really enjoy about what's going on in this hive, and we're going to see it right here, is a speckled. Well, that's a pretty solid brood pattern, but they got some pollen in there. You can see the pollen, the different colors of pollen. That looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and flip it over and see if she's on this other side. And I said these bees are defensive. They're mild compared to a couple of the other hives we have going on. Let's see her in here. There aren't that many bees in here, so compared to the other, she is check this. Yes, this queen is going to get requeened. try to get a queen in here that's just laying a little bit more vigorously and producing just a little bit gentler bees. So it appears that she's on the bottom. And I'm going to put this back out of order. That's okay. We're going to get back in here and find her. There's not that much to look for. I'm going to go ahead and treat it now. These are apivar strips. There have been a lot of studies done on these, and I use different methods, and from my experience, these have worked the best. Now it's debatable what certification of organic they come under, but here in Southern mites have gotten so resistant, they will end the hives life in 1 or 2 seasons untreated. So using other mite methods, which we do, and we'll use different ones this year because the mites become resistant to methods over periods of time. This one seems to be the best. And it's on you to decide what classification of organic you would like to go under. Some people do consider these organic. Some people think that treating with any plastics or anything artificial and man-made is not organic. I just like to see the overall health of the hives continue and to grow with as less toxins as possible, and this is what I've found to be the most useful. I order these on Amazon. We're going to finish up these hives. We got about 12 more to go for the rest of the day. Challengers Farm, Michael Sabera, thank you for watching.